My name is April. I am 38 years old from San Antonio Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. I am a single parent with two daughters, age 14 and 8 years old. My highest educational attainment was high school graduate, and I also finished my information technology vocational course at Muñoz, Nueva Ecija, TESDA. My hobbies are cooking and doing the household works and at the same time, I also love to take good care of my pets. I have a previous job in Morocco before as a housemaid around 2017 to 2020. My duties are to take good care of the elderly and their children. And at the same time, I also do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, marketing, and I also do the gardening. I want to go in Hong Kong for work to save and earn money for my family and for my future. And to my future employer, mom and sir, please do select me as your housemaid because I am a hardworking person, patient, obedient, and I'm willing to learn more new things regarding my job. Um, Mom and sir, please do select me as your housemaid because I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job to finish my 2-year contract or more. Mom and sir, I hope to work with you as soon as possible. Have a great day ahead and thank you.